Okay, I just want to go on record as saying this drone right here, I cannot find my radio for it. Okay, see the radio for this drone? Well, this drone right here, I was fixing it up, put a light on the bottom of it, was gonna fly it here at night. I just had the radio out for it, and no, I can't find it anywhere. I mean, I've looked everywhere. It's not. It's nowhere to be found. The remote control for this thing is gone. It's not in its case. It's not in the case of the other ones. I've already looked there 100 times. I've been out to my car. I've looked outside. I've looked through everywhere. So I just want to say, I don't know what I'm going to say, but it's gone. And the son of a gun is going to show up. This is what's going to happen. And, I mean, I just had the thing out like, I mean, it didn't take me very long to put a piece of Velcro onto a little light and hook it up to the bottom of the drone so that a little flash like this. That's all I wanted to do. I want to fly the drone in the air and have it flashing at nighttime. But I can't even do that because these got different patterns. You tell me that would look cool flying through the air. But my freaking radio's gone. The radio. That's this thing. Yeah, it's gone for this one. It's big too. So it's not like it's freaking me out. I'm not gonna lie. It's freaking me out. So I just want to put I'm making like evidence or something that's gone. I mean, not evidence because I could be hiding it somewhere, but I'm just saying my radio's gone, and so I'm putting it on video. So when I find it, when it pops up and it's sitting right in front of me, because some jerkwad wants to play games, not tonight, fellas, then I'm going to document that too. But, yeah, it's nowhere to be found. I mean, it's a freaking... Anyway, don't get my Miss Kitty. Bye, Miss Kitty.